naalala ko lang yung dad ko. Nakilala ko siya nung 9 years old ako hanggang sa naging teenager ako at binigyan ko siya ng sakit sa ulo at nag-college ako and basically siyang nagpalaki sa akin kasama ni Mom. Marami siyang na-organize sa buhay ko, marami din siyang naayos and marami din siyang tinuro sa akin na siguro isang tatay lang ang makakaturo. Advice sa love life, advice sa independent life, and of course, advice sa simple life. Pinakita niya sa akin kung paano mabuhay ng simple lang. So, my dad, kahit na ngayon, busy siya, syempre, sa Senate, and hindi na kami masyadong nakikita, pinag-promise niya ako sa kanya na at least every week or every 2 weeks, meron kaming daddy date. Dad, I love you. Thank you for all your love. You have raised me and have been there for me. All these, I love you so much. Bye-bye na!
Talagang mamaya. Magandang umaga. Ikaw pala yan. Anong mga... Okay, sa chart na talalawin na sa'yo. Libre ako. Baka gusto mong mag-usap tayo. Usap tayo. Kailang umipigil sa atin. Matang trip mo. Pag-usapan natin. Magandang umaga. Hi, hello! Kumusta naman tayo dyan? Super another level na to, kaya makisali na sa kwentuhan ng totoong pinagdadaanan, totoong nararamdaman, simpleng palitan ng karanasan. Simple at totoo, ang Simply KC! Good morning, guys! Eto na! Isang cute na tandem ang makakasama natin ngayong umaga. They may be father and son, pero para lang magkabarkada lang ang turing nila sa isa't isa. Hindi may pagkakaila ang closest nila because they share a lot of things in common. Mula speaking voice, pagkahumaling sa basketball, pagiging comedians, and hanggang sa interes nila sa music. Let us all welcome the country's one and only concert king, Mr. Martin Rivera, and his son, Robin! Good morning, Tita Mart. Ayan, winarm up nila yung applause nila.
Did she say Tito Martin?
Yes, Mr.
Oh,
Martin
man.
Rivera, the concert king himself. And Robin, the concert prince.
No, the prince of pops.
A prince of pops.
The prince of pops, get it? Gross.
Are you aware that you sound alike?
Sometimes, Bima.
Kaboses kayo dalawa.
Not really.
What are you doing? No, some of his low tones. Yung mga low tones mo daw. Parang
Anong low
Artin.
tone? Sige nga.
But they say this thing about my father and I that I sound like him sometimes. So I don't sound like Lolo.
Sabi nga
Not at
nila,
all.
hindi mo naman ginagaya yung papa mo, no?
No, he's
Are you
copying me.
kidding? No, he doesn't like to make gaya my voice. He just
Yeah,
likes to sing.
sometimes you sound like Pops Fernandez also.
Yun, exactly.
Oo,
I don't
parang-
know her voice. I was gonna try.
Ilalim para boses nila. Ang tangkad mo, si Robin ka na ba talaga?
Sobra.
Yeah.
Ako yung adopted eh.
So anyway, eto na. Robin, ano ang sa tingin mong namana mo from your dad?
Height, di ba?
Hi.
Our height, whatever.
Ha?
I don't know. We
Do you have the same sense of humor?
Well,
Ang tangkad mo, naiilang
Sobra, no?
ako, ang liit ko.
ako naman yung heels ko, pwede ba?
Ayan! Ay, anong namana mo sa daddy mo?
My
Sige na,
guitar
kasi
skills.
ngayon ka na lang nakikita ng tao eh.
Why? What do you
Late
have?
bloomer ka ba? Tito Martin, late bloomer ka daw sa girls.
That's hard. No, he's
Shut the
sobrang
door.
bait to eh. Sobrang bait si
Mexic
Robin eh.
frame.
Oo, he's not the kind of boy who, has girls for fun. They're good friends. And if there's love, right?
What about your love for music? Do you like the same songs?
Oh yeah, we like the
You
same
like
songs.
reverb?
No, that's just you.
That's where I was discovered.
Diba?
What do you mean?
I mean, I was taking a shower during pagkatapos ng isang basketball game.
Seryoso ba to, Tito
Yeah,
Mike?
seryoso to. May
Yeah,
yung
parang-
wrestling coach is also the choir master.
Yeah.
And he was making, boso, I think.
Oh.
And he
Sa
heard me
boys'
singing. I
bathroom.
was singing feelings, nothing more. And then reverb. So I was in the choir.
Okay, ang pagkakaiba ninyo, you don't look alike. You look more like your mom. And do you have the same hygiene, cleanliness, skills?
No.
No.
Oo, kasi
Not at
Robin,
all.
di ba yung daddy mo medyo may pagka-oko?
Super.
Oo. Ibig sabihin, ano talaga, neat freak.
It also explains that I'm the smell and he's not.
No.
What about sa love? Are you the same?
No, we love each other.
Ay, naman.
sorry.
Fatherly love lang naman ito. Anong type mo sa girls, Robin?
I don't know.
We're the same.
I don't know.
What does that mean?
In other words, romantic ka, you write love songs, poetry.
Have you ever written a song for a girl?
No.
What is the sweetest thing you've done for a girl?
What did I do? I don't know.
That's a good question.
I don't know.
Para lang kayong magkabarkada, di ba? Ganyan pa yung approach sa pagpapalaki mo kay Robin
I
and
think
Ram.
importante yan. Kailangan, like you also, kailangan barkada ka sa parents or with your kids. Kasi kung sobra kang yung
Strict,
magulang na
oh.
medyo strict, then gagawin naman eh. I mean, they'll rebel. They will rebel.
So what, do you think your dad, you feel like he's a dad, yung authority figure, yung dinidisiplina ka, binubugbog ka ba?
All right now.
No, no.
Hindi ngayon.
All right now.
Si Ram,
corny.
yung brother niya, yan, maraming spankings. Yun ito, bait to.
Mabait.
Sobrang bait.
Okay, eto na. Isa sa mga naging pagsubok ni na Tito Martin at Robin ay ang hindi inaasahang paghihiwalay ng Concert King and Queen. Paano kaya nila ito hinarap bilang mag-ama? First time mo ba itong pag-usapan sa TV
I think so. Oh,
about the separation?
yeah.
Paano ba nila na-maintain ang closeness nila sa pamilya? At yan ang malalaman natin when Simply Casey returns. O yan, good morning ulit, Robin. Gumigising ka ba ng ganito kaaga? Hindi. Kape, oh. May kape ako, may ice pa. Cheers!
Cheers, cheers.
O, eto. Sige, mag-cheers muna tayo bago natin pag-usapan ng mga bagay sa buhay.
We need rum.
Tito Martin, Mr. Martin Rivera. How did you tell Robin? Paano mo sinabi sa kanila na kailangan mong umalis?
Kailangan umalis.
Like, aalis ka, hindi lang para gumimik or mag-dinner o mag-meeting o magtrabaho,
Never tayo
kundi...
nag-usap, no, tungkol doon. Basta nakita niya, wala na ako sa bahay. Lahat ng gamit ko, wala na. Pero I was there a lot, di ba? So,
So you didn't get to tell them? Hindi mo nasabi
parang
sa kanila?
it wasn't time. Bata-bata pa sila. At it seemed like, baka mamaya they might think it's their fault.
Okay, Robin, you were around how old when your
12,
dad left?
12 or 11.
Okay, and how was it for you?
Well, it hurt, of course. I was very sad. It's a very hard thing to go through. But you went through that too, diba? So, you know, a lot of kids go through that. A lot of families go through that.
Sa tingin mo ba, mas masakit yun para sa isang ama or mas masakit para sa isang anak? Kapag
I don't know. I think it hurt for the both of us, diba? Just as much as me seeing my family break, him losing his wife.
What about you losing your father at the time? Hindi naman natin alam that 10, 11, 12, 13 years later, magiging malapit pa rin kayo sa isa't isa.
No, man, I didn't feel like I lost my dad. I just felt like I lost the mom and dad
Foundation.
always being together thing.
O,
Bad
kasi
if I
10
lose
years
my
ka rin
dad.
lumaki na may
Yeah.
mommy, dad, diba?
Yeah.
Importante yun sa bahay namin na yung talagang may daddy, may mommy, 6 o'clock may dinner.
Kamusta yung pakiramdam nung nawala yun? Hindi na kayo kompleto sa dinner table. Pag Pasko, hindi na kayo magkasama.
Well, I think every Christmas we still hung out together.
So, that's a good thing about his mom and
Birthdays,
I.
Christmases.
I think your question earlier was a good question. Kung saan mas mahirap sa
Sino ang
kids,
mas nasaktan?
Nasaktan, yung kids or the parents?
Yes.
As parents, we try very hard to not hurt our children, no? But I think, and then they say, anong edad? Anong yung tamang edad na pwedeng gawin yun? Yung sa isang, sa isang katulad ni Robin. There's no right age for that, diba? There's no right timing. There's no good time to make hiwalay. There's no right time to get back together. Talagang fate yun. So, Robin and Ram were really great kids. Talagang ginawa nila yung, parang baliwala sa kanila. But I know deep down inside, it wasn't baliwala. It was quite, I mean, it's the first time we're talking about it. So, but as a father, palagi kong guilty. Palagi kong binibigay lahat ng gusto nila dahil yun yung guilty father syndrome. Yeah, akala mo.
Fine.
And did it work?
Yeah, of course.
Just kidding. I didn't-
Bakit? Ano
I
yung
didn't-
guilty father syndrome? Hanggang ngayon meron ka
Oh,
ba?
yes.
Dad, I want that. Dad, I want that.
Sure.
I never took advantage of that.
How did you know kung paano gagawin?
I think the truth, really the truth, it's his mom. His mom did a very good job. He doesn't talk bad about me. But Pops was very good in raising both kids. She never made them